Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is a very quick and easy pasta salad. It's a cold salad. It's very good for spring and summer. Very delicious and nutritious. Very rich in good ingredients, as you see here. Has a lot of ingredients and it can be a complete meal like a lunch or a dinner. Has the protein, starch, vegetables, everything. As you see here, I use today the whole wheat pasta. You can use the brown rice pasta and quinoa. You can use any pasta you prefer. I use the whole wheat pasta. The ingredients I have here a boiled whole wheat pasta in salted water with some corn and green peas. I boiled all of them together in salted water, drain them, and they are not hot, it's cold right now. I let them cool off. Some chopped boiled eggs. I have two kind of tuna here, a regular tuna and low spicy tuna. Lemon. Two kind of bell peppers, the orange and the red. For the sauce, I have the Greek yogurt right there with some mustard. I have green onions, the parsley, some cheese, Parmesan cheese, and here the green olives cut, and the pickles, small pickles or the cornichon, the very small pickles. Also, we will use salt, pepper, and olive oil. We start mixing all the ingredients together. Pasta, the corn, the green peas, the chopped eggs, boiled eggs. I have the green onions, parsley, the green olives, and the cornichon. That's not the sweet cornichon. And have the two kind of bell peppers, cut very small. You can use any kind you have. Tuna, two kinds. And here for the sauce, I have the Greek yogurt, some lemon juice, the juice for one lemon, and some spicy mustard. I have some Parmesan cheese right here. This sauce is so delicious, really delicious. Some olive oil, salt, to taste, depend on the quantity that you have, and black pepper. This sauce, you can use it with any salad. It's really delicious sauce, very easy sauce, and so delicious. Mix all the ingredients together. Before that, I add them to the rest of the ingredients. That will be my sauce or my dressing for this nice, rich pasta salad. I mix first of all the ingredients together. Before that, I start adding my dressing or sauce. Look, it's thick and nice. And as you see here, I didn't use no kind of mayo. If you like to use mayo, you can use it, but I prefer the plain Greek yogurt. And this is the final result after I mix everything together. This pasta salad stays good in the fridge for a few days. Very rich, delicious, and nutritious, and also very tasty and easy to make, quick and easy. Thank you for watching and enjoy this recipe, and see you next time in a new video and new recipe. Enjoy.